We live in a time where everything is changing rapidly. From smartphones to computers, the rate at which technology evolves is just getting faster and faster. With that being said, let's take a look at some of the most insane future tech that actually exists right now. From self-destruct helmets to AI robots, here are the top 10 futuristic technologies that science just brought to reality. Number 10. Self-destruct helmets. If you've ever played Call of Duty or any other first-person shooter game for that matter, then you know exactly what we're talking about when we say self-destruct helmets. In these games, players can be seen equipping special devices on their helmets which allow them to detonate powerful explosives in case they get captured by the enemy. This was once just a video game feature, but is now a real-life invention, thanks to a team of engineers and scientists from Israel, who created the world's first self-destruct helmet. The helmet is equipped with an explosive device which can be remotely triggered by the wearer, in case they get captured by the enemy. But it doesn't end there. The helmet also has the ability to clear encryption from the wearer's brain, in case they get tortured for information. Pretty damn cool if you ask us. 9. Exoskeletons. Iron Man might have been a fictional character, but his high-tech suit has been brought to life by engineers and scientists around the world. Today, there are multiple versions of the Iron Man suit, each more advanced than the last. What started out as clunky and restrictive metal shells are now sleek, lightweight suits that give the wearer superhuman strength and endurance. The suits have been designed to help people with physical disabilities walk and move more easily, but they've also been used by the military to create super soldiers who are stronger and more capable than ever before. The future is looking bright for exoskeleton technology, and we can't wait to see what new developments come our way. 8. Smart textiles. Another one of Tony Stark's inventions that has come to life is smart textiles. These high-tech fabrics are embedded with sensors and other technology that allows them to respond to their environment in amazing ways. For example, some smart textiles can change color depending on the temperature of their surroundings, while others can sense motion or pressure. This type of technology has all kinds of potential applications, from clothing that helps athletes improve their performance to textiles that make buildings more energy efficient. There is no doubt that smart textiles will play a major role in the future of fashion and technology. 7. Holographic displays. Forget flat-screen TVs. The future is holographic, and we're already seeing the first glimpses of this technology in products, like the Microsoft HoloLens augmented reality headset. Unlike traditional displays, holographic displays project 3D images that appear to float in midair. This creates a more immersive experience for the viewer and opens up new possibilities for how we interact with technology. It won't be long before holographic displays are in every home and office building, so get ready to enter a whole new dimension of entertainment. 6. Jet suits. For years, jet suits have remained the stuff of science fiction. However, recent advances in technology have made it possible for these flying machines to become a reality. One company even developed a jet suit that allows its wearer to fly at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. While the technology is still in its early stages, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel. Imagine being able to zip through the air at top speeds, avoiding traffic and soaring above the crowds. Jet suits could also be used for aerial photography or even for search and rescue missions. The possibilities are really endless. 5. Electric longboards. Ever wanted to ride a skateboard without having to worry about balancing? Well, thanks to modern technology, you no longer have to be a daredevil skateboarder to ride one of these cool longboards down the street. Now you can simply plug in an electric motor and battery pack to the board and zoom wherever you need to go. That's right. Electric longboards are here, and they're taking the world by storm. With speeds of up to 25 miles per hour and a range of 10 to 15 miles on a single charge, these bad boys can get you to work or school in no time. Not to mention, they're much more environmentally friendly than gas-powered vehicles. 4. Automatic pet feeders. No more having to worry about your furry friend getting hungry when you're not around. Automatic pet feeders are the latest innovation in pet technology, and they're changing the way we take care of our four-legged family members. These high-tech feeders can dispense food at scheduled times, so your pet always has a fresh meal waiting for them. Some automatic pet feeders even have Wi-Fi capabilities, so you can control them remotely from your smartphone. You can also use the app to track how much food your pet is eating and make adjustments as needed. It's never been easier to be a responsible pet owner. 3. Wireless charging. Who needs wires anyway? That's the motto of the future, and wireless charging is leading the way. With this innovative technology, you can power up your gadgets without having to fumble with cords. It's convenient, it's efficient, and it looks sleek. All you need to do is place your device on a special pad and the magic happens automatically. No more struggling with cables or worrying about getting the perfect plug. Wireless charging is the way of the future, and we're already seeing it in action in products like the iPhone 12 and newer models. Say goodbye to wires and hello to convenience.no. 2. Smart homes. The Internet of Things is here. It's making our homes smarter than ever before. Thanks to smart home technology, you can control everything from your thermostat to your lights with the touch of a button, or even set schedules so that your home runs smoothly even when you rain out there. It's convenient, it's efficient, and it's changing the way we think about home living. Whether you want to turn off your oven remotely or make sure your doors are locked, smart home technology has got you covered. Plus, with voice assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google Home, controlling your home is easier than ever. 1. Artificial intelligence robots. Last but certainly not least, artificial intelligence robots are the future, and they're already here. From self-driving cars to robotic vacuum cleaners, AI robots are everywhere. These cutting-edge machines are changing the way we live, work, and interact with technology. They're able to learn from their environment and perform tasks autonomously, making our lives easier and more efficient than ever before. At the same time, AI robots also pose a unique set of challenges as we grapple with issues like job displacement and algorithmic bias. But despite the challenges, the rise of AI robots is a trend that we can't ignore. These intelligent machines are here to stay, and they're poised to change the world in ways big and small. So whether you love them or fear them, one thing is for sure, the future belongs to the robots. Well, there you have it, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video on the top 10 futuristic technologies that science just brought to reality. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you liked the video, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments section below which futuristic technology you're most excited about. Is it the self-destruct helmets, the exoskeletons, or the AI robots? Do you think these technologies will change the world for the better? We can't wait to hear your thoughts. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.